Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to recognize and identify consonants and vowels in English alphabet using common consonant clusters like G, R, S, T, S, P. Familiarize themselves with rhythm, stress, and intonation of English language. Demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in groups to exchange some social courtesies. Recognize and practice that words in a sentence join to make sense in relation to each other. Classify naming words into different categories such as person, pet, animal, place, or thing. Identify and classify gender of naming words from immediate environment. Recognize more particular names of people, pets, and places. Fill in speech bubbles and cartoon strips with appropriate formulaic expressions or a simple dialogue. Construct simple sentences of 5 or 6 words using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling.